Yat e Arnoldsko. National Museum of the American Indian din Nekay, Washington de. Kwe bitsi ishlijidan linigi, bila ye dayilagi, bandahani. Shitsilado shama kwe ye ayilagi elto banahani. Diji bana alde, do yiskaw elto. Shamado shitsila atka panaini ho. Shiro Tyreek ko kinaznilagi, betkadinit do chanate ash. Nihe Jared bitnekay. Say hello, Jared.
Listen, was an Englishman. He willed his entire fortune to the United States. He never set foot on U.S. soil. That castle is his final resting place. Coming up on your right is the U.S. Botanic Gardens. If you're getting tired of this chilly weather, they got some nice tropical weather in the U.S. Botanic Gardens. Just asking for the palm tree room. When it first opened up, that was the tallest structure in the world. They're approximately 555 feet tall. Look off to your right. There's the castle again.
Awesome.
This building coming out on your left is the National Museum of African American History and Culture. That's going to be our stop 13. To the building on your right-hand side will be next, National Museum of American History.
Kwe Hastin, Sandai Kisadahagi, Abraham Lincoln Belia. Nijana Roch Ansi Kai, Aaron Hichela, and Alan Kai. Dinal Kirgin Nijana Lanansen, Do Keshmish, Nijanago Assently, Don Janago Nanadocha.